Just like the five fingers in your hand, the thumb, the pointer, the middle finger, the ring finger, and the little finger. If you're hurt in any one of these five fingers, you can say, I scratched a finger. You don't have to just point it out which one you're hurt in. You can only say, I scratched a finger if you don't want to specify which finger it is. When we are describing something with utter amazement, utter pleasure, utter admiration, then we can use an indefinite article. We'll have to use an indefinite article, just like that. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. What an amazing show. What an amazing show. What a beautiful idea. What a beautiful idea. What a beautiful flower. What a beautiful flower. What a great man. What a great man. What a great woman. What a pleasant woman. What a pleasant woman. What a marvelous show. What a marvelous show. So when you are exclaiming something, when you are describing something with utter amazement, utter satisfaction, you will use a or an. Again, I assert that a or an depends on the word that is sitting next or right to it. What an amazing show. What a great idea. You can see the difference between great and amazing. I'll not go deep into it again. Right now, all I'm going to say to you about that when we are saying something with utter mesmerization, that we are absolutely pleased with it, or ironically as well, like it's been raining the whole day and you say, what a great day. It's ironic. What a great day. But still, you are putting it in an exclamation. So, please put a or an when your words is of an exclamation. Now, we'll go to another use of a or an. When you are doing something to become something, you use a or an, like run more to become a champion, work hard to become a champion, study more to become a doctor, study hard to become an engineer, listen more to become a good listener. Do you see these things? A doctor, an engineer, a listener, a programmer. Learn more to become a programmer, an engineer, a doctor. These things, a champion, an IAS. Study hard to become an IAS. So you are instructed to do something to become something. You are going to use a or an before what you are going to become. An engineer, a doctor, an IAS, a police officer. So do your best to become a successful person. A successful person, not the successful person. Okay? These things, they're all indefinite things, and to indicate the indefiniteness of these words, you will use a or an. There is one more thing that we need to remember, that there's a word, one, a very strong word. One. Now, let's use one in a sentence. Mr. Smith has 3 daughters and 1 son. I have 1 brother. She has one sister. They have one football player in their family. Now, can we replace this one with something else? The answer is yes. We can replace this with using a or an depending on the word it is preceding. Just like I said, Mrs. Smith has three daughters, and a son. Instead of one son, we can say a son. They have a football player in their family. I have a baby brother. She has a baby sister. So instead of using one, we can use a or an. Run 5 miles in a single day. Run 5 miles in one day. We can also say that run 5 miles a day. Work 3 hours per day. Or we can also say work 3 hours a day. So we can see that this particular word one or per can also be replaced with a or an. Again, I assert depending on the word that the a or an is preceding.